My name is Anthony Fiorini. My company is Maverick Building Co. We've been building for probably a combined experience of about 15 years between myself and my partner. It all started kind of with my grandfather, who was a builder back in the 60s and 70s. He was always talking about building, and his biggest thing was the quality that he would have in the houses. And growing up, that's how I got interested in building. So initially, I heard about Fund That Flip because I was looking at some projects in the Cleveland area to purchase, to renovate, and to rent out. The biggest thing with new construction that's different than flipping is it's heavily reliant on how quickly the bank can get you a draw. When we're speccing and we're using Fund That Flip, the speed of getting that done is as quick as I can put together a scope of work, see how much money we need, look at the sale value of what we can sell these for, get the information over, and within 3 weeks or so, it's funded. I think I love the building and construction side because of the small business aspect of it. Our whole methodology of our company is partnership. There's just so many people involved in one building or renovation project. The reason why we've been able to get a lot of those people to come work for us is because we pay quickly and we make sure that they finish their job, they get it inspected, it's done well, they deserve to get paid. So we're always looking for finance partners, guys who can sign on a loan. The scale that we're trying to achieve, again, we are not doing it by ourselves. There's no way we could scale this out by just grinding it out and trying to buy everything, fund everything ourselves, run all the projects by ourselves. You just can't scale that way. So the speed of financing really allows us to grow and scale and make sure that we can pay the people as quickly as possible. Speed makes everything work.